back towards the dock there. Stormy day. Wind is coming from a funny direction today, coming from over there, which it never does. Keep going, but now we're having really nice sailing. Here in Tomales, my beautiful wife Diana, Flashy the dog. Very nice. On a cloudy day. The only sailboat out there right now, interestingly. I'd say. Check it in a minute with my wind gauge. Okay, blowing about 10 to 14 knots right now, but we're going downwind, so it's a little hard to tell. Much calmer this direction. Flash is a little bit bothered by things right now. Behind us. Look out towards the dock. Me. Sometimes I'm in these movies too.